Guys, I am incredibly grateful to tell you that after a ton of frustration and confusion, I finally cracked the code and got this thing running. I just hit 40 miles an hour with my lithium phosphate batteries, and the reason I had to change to these batteries was because this brand new battery that I just bought here, and I swear to God, I didn't get 14 amp hours out of it. It was the first charge I used, but it was just the controller here, the VESC controller, was asking way too much of that battery, and I just gave up. I was riding and it completely turned off, and I thought I may have killed the controller for a second, but it was just a dead battery. I put voltmeter on that battery and it wasn't showing anything. So the battery management system had kicked in and just cut it off. So I had to plug it into the charger to wake it back up. And I'm like, well, let me try my lithium phosphate batteries. Plugged them back in, and just immediately the power was there. Everything was working. So then I could finally start tuning. But I want to show you real quick. Now, this is not the build video. I will make a build video, but I want to show you what I got going on here with just the 15 tooth sprocket and a 47 tooth sprocket. I'm hitting 40 miles an hour. And amazingly, these lithium phosphate batteries, which are only rated for pulling 10 amps, I've got it pulling 30, and it's working. So I'm really grateful that I finally figured it out, because it was driving me crazy. So let's go for a top speed run and I'll show you. Here we are. You're gonna see a lot of wobbling because I have a pneumatic tire down there. But let's give it our best shot. Let's see what we got here. I felt like there was something else I wanted to say, but I don't know. So let's do this. As you can see, we are hitting some serious speed out here. Serious speed, oh my gosh. I don't even have my battery attached. The speed wobble is insane right now. This is so crazy. Even with this gearing, I'm getting like, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna pull up the bar so that the speed wobble's not so bad. Okay, so I don't know why anyone would want to go this fast, because it's freaking crazy, but we just did it. However fast this happens to be. Oh my lord. Okay. This is nuts. This is nuts. Okay, so that's with the 15 tooth sprocket and a 47 tooth sprocket, and we could put the 55 sprocket back on with a 25 and see how that goes. Although I really do not want to change anything right now, because this freaking screw, so if you can see, I don't even know if you can see it, but this screw here is sticking out, this Allen screw. That's because I put one on top of the other to force it down, to stay down. So that's a potential hack right there. I don't even have this configured. This is so crazy. So anyways, there's the ride. I'm excited to show you. And I have got to get that tire changed, because this is freaking insane. All right.